Let me show you the top 5 tips from a designer who's made over $2 million designing websites. This post is by Craig Barber, and I'll leave a link in the description below. He's worked on some of the biggest brands in the world, including PayPal, Sony, Nestle, Marks & Spencer, as well as Samsung. His first tip is just to use 3 colors. 1 color for the background, 1 color for your typography, and 1 color for your accents. For accents, just things like buttons. You can use variations of these 3 colors, so when he uses a black, he will use some grays as well, but rarely is he ever going to introduce more than 3 completely different colors in design. You can see this simple web page here in terms of the amount of colors has just 3. We can see a pinkish red, a white, and a black. Many founders, when they're designing their web pages or their products, are introducing a ton of different colors, and it's very distracting, and it becomes hard for the user to understand what's next. So really simplifying this here creates a better overall experience. The next is to use just 1 font. He's using a classic typeface here. He wants one with different weights for heavy, bold, medium, and light. And to achieve hierarchy, you can use different sizes and weights to your font. This is similar to the first tip here, in that people tend to overcomplicate their landing pages with lots of colors and lots of different fonts. He recommends classic fonts such as Helvetica and Poppins as their high quality fonts that have everything and meet the criteria. The next is make everything modular. The average website design is going to be viewed on dozens of different devices. Your design must be able to flex and stack and still look good. So this is going to mean using a modular design. So every element should be self-contained, and don't use intricate design elements that span across the web page, as they might look fantastic on a desktop but look really poor on mobile. Fourth tip is to use high quality images. So don't cheap out in your imagery. Make sure you use high quality photography, illustration, or video in your designs. There's quite a few fantastic free stock photography sites out there. Something to note I'd add there as well is make sure you're compressing these images. You don't want a high quality image to be 10 megabits. It's going to really slow down the loading time of your landing pages. The last and 5th tip here is to use your main color in your imagery. It's a subtle one but works wonders. When choosing photography or illustrations for your designs, incorporate one of your main colors into your imagery. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you want to build your own micro SaaS. There's a link in the description below where you can get free SaaS ideas. All you need to do is enter in your email. You can also edit your images to incorporate the main color if it's not there. And we can see their accent color is the purple, and it is going to be on their main imagery here. So that's a cool one. I actually haven't heard that before, and it's probably something I'll go and integrate. It creates nice consistency here. So we can see they actually just use that 1 color on this website. So they have their CTA. They have a secondary CTA by actually making this inverted, so you have purple text with a white background, and they have it here in their main image. So these restrictions allow for creativity, and he uses these for just about every website he designs. Before I go, there's a link in the description below where you can get sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you have to do is enter in your email, and there's a link in the description below. So this concludes the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.